Hi, in this video I'm going to take a look at top
carpet upholstery cleaning machines.
If found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Most messes can't be erased with just a rag and cleaner. That's why Bissell is happy to offer the SpotClean Pet Pro Spot Cleaner. This machine provides superior vacuum-like suction in a compact and portable machine, giving you professional power right in the palm of your hand. It has a large capacity tank that holds 96 ounces of liquid. That works out to more than 2.5 times the size of our next largest tank, so you don't have to empty or fill these ones as often. Plus, we engineered it with a long hose and power cord, so you get extra reach while cleaning tricky spots like stairs, pet beds, car interiors, and area rugs. It's the powerful stain removal machine that every home with pets should have on hand. Life's messy. That's why Bissell engineered the SpotClean Pro. It's our most powerful spot cleaner, and it's ideal for removing stains from virtually anywhere in your home or car. The compact and portable design lets you take superior stain-fighting formula and superior suction to hard-to-reach spots where messes happen, but full-sized upright carpet cleaners may not fit. When the small, hard-to-reach stains strike, SpotClean Pro is there to help.